Okay, let's do one more. Let's evaluate the integral of the square root of 1 minus x over 1 plus x dx. Okay, again, go ahead and I'm seeking your advice. What to do? Who said so? I agree. That will be the way to go. I think. Let's see what happens if you multiply by the conjugate. But the conjugate of what? Numerator or denominator? That's the question. You're on the money again. Multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. So the integral I, which is the square root of 1 minus x over 1 plus x dx, like so, if we multiply by I'm breaking down like so. First of all, what happened is the numerator, we get rid of the radical in the numerator. So the numerator looks like 1 minus x. And further, here 1 plus x times 1 minus x becomes 1 minus x squared. Okay. What do we do now? Yeah, I'm waiting. Advice, please? Not quite. One more step before. Yeah, that would be the step that's what Alberto said. But there is one more step that I'd like to do before to work on. Go ahead, Satya. Exactly. Break it into two. So we have dx over the square root of 1 minus x squared plus or minus the integral of x dx over. Now here we can see the advantage of doing so. This is directly the inverse, the inverse sign right there, right? What about this one? This one we can do probably a u substitution. Or actually we don't, yeah, because you have x and the, if you let u equals 1 minus x squared, then x dx will be negative, negative du. Okay, so we end up having the following. We're going to have the inverse sine of x, and then actually we're going to end up having a positive. Let's see, because we have negative here, and if we let this is 2u du, so we'll have 1/2, which some reason I lost it here. Let me see. Let's do this integral. Okay, so we let u equals 1 minus x squared, and therefore du equals negative 2x dx. So x dx equals negative 1/2 du. And now the integral of x dx over is it negative stay? Because this is u to the negative 1/2, so it becomes positive, so we have 2, so we have 1/2 times 2, square root of u plus c, right? Or it's negative square root of u, or negative. So this, oh, okay, and we started with negative, so it becomes positive. So now here's the result of the integral. We have the inverse sine of x, and then minus negative, so we have plus square root of 1 minus x squared plus c, which is an expected result. Okay, I think that's enough examples to entertain you. Let me close this section and move to the next one.